Hello students, I'm Miss Katie, That Vegan Teacher, and today we're going to be learning about why vegans are kinder than God. We're going to be doing this by reading some cards. So I'm going to turn the screen around, and you guys are going to read them with me, okay? You ready? Okay, card number 1. Why are vegans kinder than God? Because if vegans had created the world, they would never have created lions who must suffocate baby zebras to survive. Instead, vegans would have created only animals who never need to harm or eat anyone. All beings would still enjoy rich, joyful lives, exploring grasslands, splashing in streams, running for fun, bonding with family, and when their time came, every animal would simply fall asleep peacefully and never wake up, ensuring balance without terror, bloodshed, or fear. Makes sense, right? Vegans would have been more compassionate. Okay, let's read card number 2 now. All right, card number 2. Why are vegans kinder than God? Because if vegans had created the world, they would never have created wolves who chase deer to exhaustion and tear them apart. Instead, vegans would have created animals capable of living together without violence. Life would still be full of adventure, climbing hills, playing, prancing through the snow, learning the land, and population balance would be achieved because each being would be designed to die calmly in their sleep at a natural time with no suffering required. You see, vegans are kinder than God because we don't want anyone to suffer. We would have designed the planet differently. All right, let's read card number 3 now. Why are vegans kinder than God? Because if vegans had created the world, they never would have created sharks who must rip seals limb from limb. Instead, vegans would have created ocean beings who thrive without killing. Animals would still experience curiosity, freedom, play, and exploration, gliding through water, leaping, resting in the sun, and when life ended, it would do so gently, unconsciously, and painlessly, not through panic or violence. You see, veganism is a justice movement based on ending the exploitation of innocent animals. God didn't really think things through. So why do you still follow a God who is cruel? Here's card number 4. Why vegans are kinder than God. Because if vegans had created the world, they never would have created snakes who swallow mice alive. Instead, vegans would have designed nourishment and existence without victims. Animals would still chase each other for fun, bask in warmth, explore forests, and learn their surroundings, and every life would end the same way, peacefully asleep, with no fear, no agony, and no one existing merely to be eaten. Imagine being able to walk in the forest at night and never be afraid that you would be eaten. That's what a vegan world would have been like if we had created it. Let's look at card number 5 now. This is the last one. Why are vegans kinder than God? Because if vegans had created the world, they never would have created eagles who tear rabbits apart mid-life. Instead, vegans would have imagined a planet filled with beings like giraffes, elephants, and rabbits who live without causing harm. Animals would still fly, roam, play, bathe, explore, and experience joy when their time arrived. They would close their eyes and pass away gently in their sleep, proving that suffering was never necessary for life to be meaningful or balanced. So there you have it. Those are reasons why vegans are kinder than God. Look at this image for a second. You see that? Animals are here on the planet with us, not for us. They're not here for us to eat, wear, or use, or exploit, or commodify, or utilize. You shouldn't be eating any cats or dogs, but also no other animals, nor the secretions from cows. We shouldn't be stealing their milk. We shouldn't be stealing the eggs from chickens or using any animals in any way. Bacon should never be existing in the first place. Pigs are here for their own reasons, as are all animals. So, let's be kinder than God. Let's be vegan from now on. You can do it.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's put our empathy into action. Miss Katie will show us how.